Hello, everyone, and welcome to Talk Smart, the English podcast that helps you grow in both language and life. Today's topic is something truly special: the power of gratitude.
Hi, Mr. Alex. Gratitude sounds simple, but I've heard it can really change how people see life. I'm excited to learn more.
That's right, Emma. Gratitude means being thankful for what we have instead of focusing on what we don't. It's a way of seeing the world with appreciation. Every small thing becomes a gift.
So it's more than just saying thank you.
Exactly. Gratitude is a mindset. It's about feeling thankful in your heart, not just in your words.
But, Mr. Alex, how does gratitude actually help us?
Good question. Studies show that grateful people are happier, healthier, and less stressed. When we focus on what's good, our brain releases positive chemicals. It's like training your mind to see sunshine instead of clouds.
Wow. So gratitude can improve our mood and even our health?
Absolutely. It helps us sleep better, build stronger relationships, and even boosts our confidence.
Do you have an example of someone who changed their life through gratitude?
Yes, I once had a student who was always stressed about exams. I asked her to write down 3 things she was thankful for every night. Within a month, she became calmer, more focused, and even her grades improved.
That's amazing. It shows how small habits can make big changes.
Let's share some ways our listeners can practice gratitude daily.
Okay. First, start a gratitude journal. Write down 3 good things every day.
Perfect. Second, express your thanks to others. Say thank you and mean it.
And third, appreciate the present moment. Even simple things like a cup of tea or a sunny morning.
Beautifully said, Emma. Gratitude turns ordinary moments into blessings.
Sometimes it's hard to be grateful when life feels tough. What should we do then?
That's when gratitude matters the most. Even in pain, you can find lessons, kindness, or hope. Remember, it's not about ignoring problems, but about finding strength through appreciation.
I feel inspired. I'm going to start my gratitude journal tonight.
That's wonderful, Emma. And to our listeners, try it too. Every day, take a moment to say thank you. It might just change your life. Thanks for listening to Talk Smart, the power of gratitude. See you next time.